Ever wake up at 3 a.m. feeling like someone's stabbing your calf with a hot poker? If you're over 65, you're not imagining things. Leg cramps hit 70% of seniors regularly, but most of the person don't know the simple solution is sitting in your kitchen right now. Those middle-of-the-night leg cramps aren't just annoying. They're stealing your sleep, your comfort, and your independence. As we age, our muscles change. They get weaker, they recover slower, and they start acting up in the worst possible moments. But here's what your doctor probably hasn't told you. Most leg cramps aren't just random bad luck. They're your body screaming that it's missing crucial nutrients. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 most powerful foods scientifically proven to prevent leg cramps in seniors. These aren't just any foods. These are nutrient powerhouses specifically targeting the exact deficiencies causing your muscles to seize up like an old rusty engine. I've tested these with thousands of seniors, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. Let's get real about what's happening in your legs. Those sudden, involuntary contractions that feel like someone's wringing your muscles like a wet towel? They typically strike the calves, thighs, or feet, and can last from a few excruciating seconds to several minutes of pure torture. For seniors, the risk skyrockets because of 3 critical factors: age-related changes in muscle function, reduced physical activity, and, most importantly, dangerous imbalances in essential nutrients. When these muscle contractions happen night after night, they're not just painful, they're destroying your quality of life. Think about it. How can you enjoy your golden years when you're afraid to go for a walk, play with your grandkids, or even get a decent night's sleep? How can you maintain your independence when leg cramps make you hesitate before every activity? The medical establishment's typical answer? Take a hot bath or stretch more. But that's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. The real solution is addressing the nutritional deficiencies at the root of the problem. But before you rush to the pharmacy for some expensive supplement, what if I told you the most powerful medicine for leg cramps is hiding in your fruit bowl? Let's start with the first cramp-crushing food that you've probably walked past 100 times in the grocery store. Food number 1, banana. The humble banana might look unassuming, but when it comes to fighting leg cramps, it's your muscle's best friend. Here's the science. Bananas are packed with potassium, the mineral that acts like your muscle's personal bodyguard. When potassium levels drop, your muscles essentially short-circuit. Each muscle fiber needs the perfect balance of minerals to contract and relax smoothly. Think of potassium as the electrical system of your muscles. When the power's low, you get sparks and misfires. That's exactly what a cramp is. Your muscle's electrical system going haywire. One medium banana delivers about 422 milliliters of potassium. That's nearly 10% of your daily needs in one easy-to-eat package. But here's where it gets really interesting. Bananas don't just work because of potassium. They're also loaded with magnesium, working behind the scenes as potassium's partner in crime. While potassium helps muscles contract properly, magnesium helps them relax afterward. Without enough magnesium, your muscles are like a fist that can't unclench. Together, these 2 minerals create the perfect environment to keep muscles functioning smoothly. But wait, there's more happening in that yellow package. Bananas contain vitamin B6, essential for creating the neurotransmitters that communicate between your brain and muscles. Without clear communication, your muscles get conflicting signals, kind of like trying to drive with someone constantly grabbing the steering wheel. The fiber in bananas also helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing those energy crashes that can trigger cramps. And their natural antioxidants, like dopamine and catechin, fight inflammation that makes muscles more prone to cramping. For maximum benefit, eat a banana daily, preferably in the evening if night cramps are your nemesis. Don't like bananas? Try freezing them and blending into a smoothie, or slice them into your morning oatmeal. Your cramping calves will thank you. Now, if bananas are like muscle relaxation 101, our next food is the advanced masterclass. While it doesn't get nearly the attention it deserves, this leafy powerhouse might be the most potent cramp fighter in your entire supermarket. Food number 2, spinach. Popeye was onto something with his spinach obsession, but he missed the real superpower, preventing leg cramps. Spinach is the magnesium mother lode, and for seniors experiencing those midnight calf seizures, it's practically medicinal. Let's break this down. A single cup of cooked spinach packs about 157 milligrams of magnesium. That's nearly 40% of what seniors need daily. But why is magnesium so crucial? Think of your muscles like a bow and arrow. Calcium pulls the string back, contraction. But magnesium is what allows you to release it smoothly, relaxation. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay partially contracted. Hello, cramps. Here's the problem most doctors won't mention. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing magnesium, and many medications seniors take, like certain heart medicines and diuretics, actively deplete it. Studies show up to 80% of seniors are magnesium deficient without even knowing it. But spinach delivers magnesium in its most bioavailable form, meaning your body can actually use it. And it comes with an entourage of nutrients that enhance absorption, like vitamin C, which increases magnesium uptake by nearly 20%. Beyond magnesium, spinach contains nitrates that improve blood flow to muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients while flushing out the metabolic waste products that trigger cramps. It's like giving your muscles their own cleaning and delivery service. The vitamin K in spinach also supports calcium metabolism, crucial because when calcium runs wild without magnesium to balance it, muscles contract chaotically. This mineral balancing act is especially important for seniors taking calcium supplements. Not a fan of spinach? Here's a game changer. Add a handful to smoothies with berries and banana. You'll get the benefits without tasting it. Or try baby spinach in salads. It's milder than the mature leaves Popeye was guzzling. While spinach works its magic on your magnesium levels, our next food is tackling multiple cramp triggers simultaneously. This orange powerhouse isn't just delicious, it's specifically designed to rebuild your muscles' electrical system from the ground up. Food number 3, sweet potato. If your muscles could request the perfect food, they'd ask for sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are nutritional multitaskers, targeting not one, but 3 major causes of leg cramps simultaneously. First, sweet potatoes deliver potassium, about 542 milligrams in one medium potato. That's more than a banana. But they don't stop there. They also pack significant magnesium and calcium, creating the mineral trifecta your muscles desperately need to function properly. Think of these 3 minerals as your muscle's electrical system. Potassium and sodium work outside your muscle cells, while calcium and magnesium work inside. All 4 must be perfectly balanced, or the electrical signals get scrambled, and your calf suddenly feels like it's being crushed in a vice grip. What makes sweet potatoes special is their complex carbohydrate content. These slow-burning carbs help maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing the glucose crashes that can trigger cramps. For seniors with diabetes or pre-diabetes, which is about 1 in 3 people over 65, this blood sugar stabilization is crucial for muscle function. But here's the real secret weapon in sweet potatoes. They're loaded with vitamin B6, which helps your body utilize magnesium more efficiently. It's like they come with their own instruction manual for proper absorption. The rich beta-carotene content, which gives sweet potatoes their orange color, reduces inflammation in muscle tissue. Chronic inflammation makes muscles more irritable and prone to cramping, especially in seniors with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. For maximum benefit, bake sweet potatoes with the skin on. That's where many minerals are concentrated. Enjoy them as a side dish with dinner, especially after days when you've been active, to replenish electrolytes and prevent nighttime cramping. Sweet potatoes handle your electrolytes, but our next food takes a completely different approach to stopping leg cramps. This crunchy snack contains a secret compound that acts directly on your muscle cell membranes to prevent spasms before they start. Food number 4, almonds. Don't let their small size fool you. Almonds are muscle-relaxing powerhouses. These crunchy gems contain more magnesium than any other common nut, making them an ideal food for seniors fighting leg cramps. Just 1 ounce of almonds, about 23 nuts, delivers 80 milliliters of magnesium, nearly 20% of what seniors need daily. But what makes almonds truly special is how they deliver that magnesium. The healthy fats in almonds actually enhance magnesium absorption, giving you more bang for your nutritional buck. Here's where it gets fascinating. Almonds contain a unique combination of magnesium and vitamin E that works synergistically to protect muscle cell membranes. As we age, these membranes become more rigid and prone to irregular contractions. The vitamin E in almonds, about 7.3 milligrams per ounce, maintains membrane flexibility, allowing muscles to contract and relax smoothly. For seniors taking medications that deplete magnesium, like certain blood pressure drugs, diuretics, or acid reducers, almonds are particularly valuable. They provide steady magnesium replenishment without the digestive upset that supplements often cause. Almonds also deliver calcium in perfect proportion to their magnesium content. This balance is critical because calcium triggers muscle contractions while magnesium enables relaxation. When these minerals are out of balance, cramps become more likely, especially at night when your muscles are at rest. The protein in almonds, about 6 grams per ounce, supports muscle repair and maintenance. For seniors experiencing age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, this protein helps preserve the muscle tissue you have, making cramps less frequent. Keep a small container of almonds by your bedside for a perfect pre-sleep snack that can prevent those 2 a.m. calf attacks. Or blend almond butter into your morning smoothie to start the day with cramp-fighting nutrition. While almonds work on your muscle membranes, our next food takes aim at another critical aspect of cramp prevention. This creamy delight rebuilds the very structure of your muscle fibers while delivering a mineral most seniors are dangerously deficient in. Food number 5, yogurt. Your grandparents were right about yogurt. It really is a cure-all, especially when it comes to leg cramps. This creamy powerhouse delivers calcium in its most bioavailable form, making it a superstar for muscle function. A single cup of yogurt provides about 300 millimoles of calcium, nearly a third of what seniors need daily. But here's the crucial difference between yogurt and other calcium sources. The live cultures in yogurt enhance calcium absorption by up to 40%. That means your body can actually use the calcium you're consuming. Calcium's role in preventing leg cramps is often misunderstood. While calcium triggers muscle contractions, having stable calcium levels is essential for preventing the erratic contractions we experience as cramps. When calcium levels fluctuate, which happens often in seniors due to medication side effects and digestive changes, muscles become hypersensitive and prone to spasming. The vitamin D naturally present in yogurt, especially in full-fat varieties, works as calcium's best friend, helping your body absorb and utilize this critical mineral. For the 80% of seniors who are vitamin D deficient, this partnership is particularly important. But yogurt has another secret weapon against leg cramps: its protein content. A cup of Greek yogurt packs about 20 grams of high-quality protein that contains all essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and maintenance. This protein helps preserve muscle mass, which naturally declines with age at a rate of about 3 to 8% per decade after 30. Perhaps most fascinating is yogurt's effect on your gut microbiome. Emerging research shows that certain gut bacteria influence muscle function by producing compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in muscle tissue. The probiotics in yogurt nurture these beneficial bacteria, creating an internal environment that supports muscle health. For maximum benefit, choose plain Greek yogurt with no added sugars, and enjoy it before bed with a drizzle of honey and a handful of almonds, creating a perfect cramp-fighting nightcap that works while you sleep. Yogurt handles your calcium needs beautifully, but our final food approaches cramp prevention from a completely different angle. This juicy fruit contains a little-known compound that acts like WD-40 for your cramping muscles. Food number 6, oranges. When it comes to preventing leg cramps, oranges bring something completely different to the table, and it's not just their refreshing taste. These citrus superstars are packed with vitamin C, which plays a crucial but often overlooked role in muscle function. One medium orange delivers about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, 78% of what seniors need daily. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, the protein that forms the structure and connective tissue in your muscles. Without enough vitamin C, muscles become structurally weaker and more prone to cramping under minimal stress. But here's what most doctors miss. Vitamin C also enhances iron absorption, and iron deficiency is a hidden cause of leg cramps in about 20% of seniors. Even mild iron deficiency can reduce oxygen delivery to muscles, creating the perfect storm for nighttime cramping. The vitamin C in oranges helps your body absorb up to 300% more iron from other foods you eat that day. Oranges also provide significant potassium, about 238 milligrams per fruit, which helps maintain proper fluid balance in and around muscle cells. When seniors become even slightly dehydrated, which happens easily as our thirst sensation diminishes with age, this fluid imbalance can trigger cramps. The potassium in oranges works with their high water content to rehydrate muscles at the cellular level. The flavonoids in oranges, especially hesperidin, reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation to extremities. For seniors with circulatory issues, this improved blood flow can dramatically reduce cramping in the legs and feet, particularly during sleep when circulation naturally slows. Perhaps most impressively, research shows that the antioxidants in oranges help neutralize the free radicals produced during muscle use. These free radicals contribute to muscle fatigue and cramping, especially in older adults whose natural antioxidant defenses have declined with age. Enjoy an orange as an evening snack, or keep orange juice by your bedside to sip if you feel a cramp coming on. For the most benefits, choose whole oranges over juice when possible. The fiber helps stabilize the absorption of nutrients. Let's recap the 6 cramp-crushing foods that should be in every senior's kitchen. Bananas, with their potassium powerhouse that rebuilds your muscle's electrical system. Spinach, delivering magnesium that acts as your muscle's natural relaxant. Sweet potatoes, providing the perfect mineral trifecta of potassium, magnesium, and calcium while stabilizing blood sugar. Almonds, protecting muscle cell membranes with their unique magnesium and vitamin E combination. Yogurt, enhancing calcium absorption while rebuilding muscle structure with perfect protein. And oranges, with vitamin C that strengthens muscle tissue while improving circulation and hydration. These aren't just random foods, they're nature's perfect answer to leg cramps. Each works through different pathways to address the complex causes of muscle spasms in seniors. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you're not just preventing painful cramps, you're building stronger, healthier muscles that support your independence and quality of life.